I don't like makeup, and I don't wear it often. I wear it when I want to feel special, and that happens more often when I travel. And I get so confused with all the options of makeup that are out there, and I get so frustrated with the amount of space that makeup takes up in my suitcase, being the fact I don't like it that much anyway. So that's where the Subtle Beauty Stack solves my problems. It eliminates my confusion on what to pack, and it eliminates my frustration on how much space it takes. So let me explain why I feel this way. Creating your own personal stack is actually rather straightforward. Subtl Beauty has on their website a questionnaire that will get you exactly the stack that matches you. So I recommend you choosing the in-depth version. It'll take you about 5 to 10 minutes. Also, go ahead and grab your current bin of makeup because some of the questions will ask what brands and colors you like now. Once you complete the questionnaire, then it literally just tells you this is the one you need, and this is concealer you need, and this is a blush you need, and it's all right there ready for you to order. If you're finding this video helpful, click the subscribe button and hit the alarm bell while you're there. I produce videos every week that will make your traveling experience so much more enjoyable, and you don't want to miss out on my next video. Now that you've got your basic stack figured out, let me give you a couple tips to make your stack even better. For me, I travel year-round with my basic stack and my moisturizing lotion. But sometimes I like a little bit of variety. So my recommendation is on your eyeshadow and your lipstick, going one shade up and one shade down. That gives you the ability to do some mix and matching and combining and just add a little bit of pizzazz to your makeup. I mentioned saving space in my luggage. I bought their makeup brush kit because it covers everything I need for putting my makeup, and it's just this cute little bitty size. So it saves me tons of room also in my luggage. Oh, one thing to note is that if you'll actually go into the comments below and click the link that I provide you, you'll get one of their cute powder brushes for free. Finally, I can vouch for the durability of the beauty stacks. I've had my stack for going on a year now, and I have had 2 calamities in that whole year of all the horrible destructive travel I do. One, I lost a chip out of my highlighter when I dropped it on the bathroom floor in Amsterdam, and the only other, I was completely surprised, was my stack got left for 4 days in the Texas boiling summer heat in my trunk, and my lip balm slid. Other than that, all of my lipsticks stayed perfectly. 4 days, Texas heat. So I can say it will travel with you wonderfully. Take my word for it. For a person who doesn't like makeup and is very tight on space when I travel the world, Subtle Beauty really fits my needs in designing something very simple, something straightforward, and something that can stand the test of my stress from traveling. So if it works for me, it's going to work great for you.